Hey there, welcome to the Tech Explorations channel. I'm Peter, your guide on this literally electrifying journey, and I'm thrilled to kick off our brand new video series designed just for you. Our series is a treasure trove of knowledge for anyone eager to explore the world of electronics and programming with the Arduino. The videos in this series will help you understand what Arduino is, how it works, and how to use it in your projects. Whether you are a complete beginner or looking to improve your skills, this series will provide you with a solid foundation. We'll start with the basics of Arduino, including the Arduino R4 Minima and Wi-Fi, and guide you through setup, programming, and creating your own projects. Expect to see a wide array of projects illuminating concepts like digital and analog inputs and outputs, programming structures, and how to make circuits on a breadboard. We'll dive into projects that sense light, measure temperature, detect motion, and much more. I'll be releasing a new video weekly, so there's always something new to learn and experiment with. Your journey from zero to hero in Arduino starts here, and I can't wait to see the amazing projects you'll create. But that's not all. We want this series to be interactive and tailored to your interests. So, if you're curious about a specific project or topic, or have any questions, just drop us a message in the comments below. Your input might just shape our upcoming videos. Ready to embark on this Arduino adventure? Make sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon so you don't miss out on any of our weekly episodes. Together we'll explore the endless possibilities Arduino has to offer. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.